Hello YouTube, this is Grow It Build It, and today we're going to be germinating some Virginia bluebell seeds. Virginia bluebell is a perennial plant. It's one of the earliest plants to pop up in the spring. It doesn't get very tall, and it'll kind of vanish after it's done blooming. So it's almost like you don't even know it's there unless it's actively growing in the spring, April, May. By June it's generally done, and it's native to basically the eastern half of the United States, everywhere past the Rockies, I think. It's has a nice little root on it. You can actually transplant them pretty easily when they're dormant in the summer, even by the root. I've done that before. But the seeds aren't that large, so we don't need to plant them very deep. So what I'm going to do right now is just take a few of these and put them in each cell. Nothing too crazy. And from here we'll just water them, cover them with dirt a little bit. But if you can get a stand of these going, or enough of them going where they're pretty big and healthy, it can be very stunning early in the spring, and you can have all the bumblebees and butterflies that are around come into your house to get these. So it's kind of fun to grow. I live near the Appalachian Trail, and there's a little stretch not too far from here that is just filled with this plant. As far as you can see, for about 10 yards, 10 meters in all directions. You don't have to plant this that deep. If you're unsure, it's always better to go shallow rather than deep. So now I'm just going to put, I don't know, 3 millimeters of dirt on it or so. And we'll give it another drink of water, and then we're going to put it outside. This plant is a little tougher to grow. I've tried before from seed unsuccessfully, and part of that's because to really do it, the best way is to gather the seeds at the end of its growing season and plant those immediately. I wasn't able to do that this year, so I ended up purchasing a packet of seeds that have been refrigerated since they were gathered. So they came in the mail today. I'm planting them right now. It's kind of a little later in February, but we're going to put this outside tonight, just because these seeds do need a couple of months in the cold to germinate. So this is winter sowing, and it's kind of mimicking Mother Nature's way of growing these seeds. So we'll give you updates and tell you how many have germinated and how many plants we end up with. Thank you very much. I'm just going to give these a quick drink, and hopefully in about 2 months I should have some popping up. Thank you.